Hey, welcome to this radio video, and today we're going to show you how to get the worldwide marine radio facsimile broadcast schedules, or what we call HF Weather Fax. And the reason I'm going to show you this is because I am now going to post online the video showing how to decode weather maps with FLDG software. And this is probably a great resource because it has a very nice schedule of all the different transmissions from around the world for HF fax transmissions. So where do you get this? Well, the simplest thing you can do is go to google.com or google.ca in my case because it's Canada, and in the search you will type WEFAX schedule, WEFAX schedules, and you should see one with PDF mentioned at the left of the link. You see here I've got PDF. This is the direct PDF radio fax. If you don't see that, you can also go to the first link, which is the nws.noaa.gov, and somewhere here you should have a link to the weather fax. And you see here below the map, I go National Weather Service, Marine Product, via radio fax, and you'll see NWS, and then below you'll see Worldwide Marine Radio Facsimile Broadcast Schedule. You can click there. You will need PDF, so you'll need Adobe Reader or equivalent software to read PDF files, and here you'll have the full schedules. Now you see it's dated February 10, 2012. It's not updated every year, but it's okay because it's not necessarily, there's not that many changes, and it's actually fairly accurate even though it's almost 2 or 3 years old. So, but it's worth it to check from time to time to see if they've updated, because they might update it. And they have the Africa, Asia, South America, North America, Pacific Ocean, and Europe. So all you have to do is go through the publication. So it goes by continent, and you'll see the different schedules. So what you do is you check for what schedule, time, and so on. You have at the top the frequencies. For example, if you want to hear all the WEFAX weather fax broadcasts from Tokyo, Japan, then you'll see the frequencies are here: 3622.5, 7795, 13988.5. Then you have a list and schedule of the transmissions, what they are actually sending in fax. And on the left, the time of the broadcast. So here, for example, the retransmission of 2200 hours, 750, it's 0100 and 1200. Then you have 96 hour surface pressure, precipitation progress at 020, and so on. So depending on the type of transmission, you see the times they are broadcasts. You, of course, will go through the list, check the different broadcasts from all around the world. You have the ones that they will mention, not currently active and stuff like that. But you know what? Even when it says not currently active, take a peek, because it's sometimes very surprising. An example of that is CFH, the Canadian Forces Meetalk Center in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. It is written as off the air. So as you see here, CFH, Halifax. But you know what? About a month ago, I tuned and was surprised to hear there was a broadcast. So it means that it's not always off the air. There are times when it actually broadcasts. So, go and take a peek at the frequencies and check it out. So there's a lot of transmissions still available from the HF fax transmissions, and it's worth it to check that out. You have really a complete list here, and it's really interesting for that. So for example, here I'm listening to, and that's what I'll use actually as a demo, the New Orleans, Louisiana HF fax, and I'm hearing them right now on 17146.4, but when you tune these frequencies, remember you'll have to tune in upper sideband, and the upper sideband will need to be sent or tuned just below the frequency, about a kilohertz or two below the frequency, not directly on the frequency. So, for example, here I'm actually seeing that I might not actually use New Orleans because they are ending their transmissions at the last transmissions at 2045, and that we are at 2055 right now. So it means that I'm probably getting the last minutes of the broadcast for today before they start again. So I'll be using probably another one. But it gives you an idea of what you are listening to. So what's cool with this is you have schedules, and if by any chance you are across a weather fax and you're not really sure what it is, well, you can consult this list and see what you are actually listening to by searching. So this is a really helpful list for anyone that wants to decode the weather fax charts. And so next video will be how to decode them with FLDG software. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy these videos. Bye bye.